And others are homework. We will start exercise 8.1. We will continue with sixth one. We will continue with sixth one. Those who are joining late, please be on the time, because while admitting you, yes. So exercise 8.1. Write down. Express each of the following. Express each of the following. Express each of the following as percentage. Express each of the following as percentage. Express each of the following as percentage. Now first is 5:4. 5:4. 1 minute. Leave 2 pages. Yes. 5:4. What do you mean by A ratio? Yes. My dear, divide 3 by 100 several times. We have told you 3% means it is 3 upon 100. When we are doing something 3 upon 100. Now how will put the decimal? There are two zeros. So you will write this as 003. Then from right you put the decimal after 2 digits. That is 0.003. 0.03. So this is the answer. 3% means 3 upon 100. No? Yes. Leave 2 pages. Wait. Leave 2 pages. Now mute the microphone, please. Please, all of you mute the microphone first. Mute the microphone. When we are going there on the current topic, you ask the question related to that. If you ask, sir, what is there in the first A, it will be difficult. So whenever we are doing anything, yes, no, your question is genuine. You leave 2 pages. Now what do you mean by A? 5:4. So we have studied the concept of ratio. A ratio B means A upon B, correct? So 5:4 means it is 5 upon 4. No need of this. This is just for revision. Now to convert the given number into percentage, you have to see there are two methods. Either you make denominator as 100, or you multiply this by 100%. To convert this into percentage, divide the fraction by 100%, or you make the denominator as 100. So multiply and divide by 25. So 4 you can cancel with 100. 4, 25. So 5 into 25, that is 125%. 5 into 25%, which is 125%. So the answer is 125%. Mute the microphone. 5:4 is nothing but 125%. To convert them into percentage, we multiply by 100%. So right. My dear, that is just for your revision I have done. There is no need to write down this again. No need to write from your side. Got it? So it is 125%. Now second is 7:2. B. Answer is 125%. Now second is 7:2. 7:2 means 7 upon 2. Then to convert this into percentage, I will multiply it by 100%. Then cancel the terms of numerator. 2 ones are 2, 250. So that is 7 into 50%. 350%. 7 into 50%, that is 350%. So the answer is 350%. 7:2. 7:2 means it is 350%. 7:2 means it is 350%. Then third one, 9:4C, 9:4 D. I am writing all the question. D. 16:25, 16:25. Then E. हाँ yes, चलो ठीक है, like. Then E. हाँ yes, E is 13:20. 13:20. 2 dot means ratio. F 3:10. 3 ratio. हाँ yes, I will. हाँ I have rub only. हाँ I have rub. हाँ send video. I have only rubbed the question. And today this video I will send and upload. Do not worry. G is 8:50. 8:50. Then H is 6:12. Then I is 5:12. 5:12. 1 minute. J 11:15. My dear, 7:2 means 7/2. You can cancel. To convert this into percentage, I will multiply by 100. 7 5s are 35, so 350%. No? Yes. All are homework. C, D. No, it is key. चलो let me do. ठीक है. Let me do D. चलो ठीक है. Let me do D. No problem. We have enough time. Board is very much clear from our side. D 16:25. 16:25. 16:25. 64. Very good. Who said the answer? Yes, tell me the name. My dear. Yes, very good. My dear, board is very much clear from our side. From our side, board is extremely clear. D 16:25. 16:25. A ratio B means A upon B, 16/25. Then E is 13:20, F is 3:10. Then to convert this into percentage, I will multiply by 100%, and then we cancel the terms of numerator and denominator. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are. Then 16 into 4. Very good. 16 into 4%. The answer is 64%. Yes, very good. You can cancel 0, 0. E also, F also, G also you can cancel 0, 0. You can cancel the zeros of numerator and denominator. You cannot cancel the zeros of numerator and denominator or denominator and denominator. Always you can cancel the zeros of numerator with denominator. So answer is 64%. Answer is 64%. 6.1 we have finished. Now we will do 6.2. Now we will do write D. Let me erase B part. So X. Now we will start 8.2. No, my dear. There is no 7. Now 8.2 is there. That is the homework that you have to check. I cannot say anything without solving. Now let us start exercise 8.2. My dear, let me see. No, from our side it is very much clear. You see the adjustment of your phone. Yes, no problem, you can check it. Now we start exercise 8.2. But before we start exercise 8.2, there is a formula. Formula is X percent of Y. X percent of Y. This is the formula I am writing. Whatever it will be. Now exercise 8.2. This concept you have to understand. X percent of Y. X percent means, what do you mean by X percent? Write down. X percent means X upon 100. Write down. Then this of, wait my dear, this of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. So multiplication Y. So X percent of Y. X percent of Y means, X percent means X upon 100. Then of means multiplication. Y. So X percent of Y is nothing but X upon 100. Y, X and Y, they are numbers. X and Y, they are numbers. This of means multiplication. X percent means X upon 100. Of means multiplication Y. So X percent of Y means X upon 100 into Y. Now based on this formula, we will solve exercise 8.2. All the problems are based on this only, X percent of Y. In 8.1 we have studied X percent. X percent means X upon 100. X percent means X upon 100. Video I will upload. X percent means, yes, today onwards all the video I will upload it and send it in the group also, both the place, YouTube also, because I get my phone repaired, so now this facility will be available to all of you. Now today onwards. So, yes, rejoin, chalo. X percent of Y means X upon 100 into Y. Find the following. Today onwards, my dear. Today onwards. Means our uploading and sharing of video starts from today. Find the following. First, A. This you write, this is the formula, no? Of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. So X percent means X upon 100. Of means multiplication Y. Then you can simplify. First it is 32% of 40 kilometer. 32% of 40 kilometer. 32% of 42 kilometer. Yes, this is my X and this is my Y. This is my X, this is my Y. So what is X percent Y? Tell me. Yes, so what will be this? Tell me. So X percent, हाँ 32 upon 100. Then off means multiplication. Y means 40 kilometer. Now you can cancel the zeros of numerator and denominator. You can cancel 1 0. Correct? So it is left 32 upon 10 into 4 kilometer. But still you can cancel the common factor of numerator and denominator. Yes, there only also you can cancel, but I am cancelling it separately. So this we can cancel. You can cancel them by 2. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Correct? So that is 32 into 2. What is that? 32 into we'll take in the decimal, no ma? 64. Wait. So this is 32 into 2, 64. Divide by 5. 5 is there in the denominator, no? 5 kilometer. Now divide 64 by 5. Divide 64 by 5. 5 ones are 5. Then 14. 5 twos are 10. Yes? What is that? 5 twos are 10. Then 4. Then point. 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. So the answer is 12.8. When it is 4, 4 is smaller than 5. So 1 0 I will add and I will put the decimal. So answer is 12.8 kilometer. Answer is 12.8 kilometer. So 32% of 40 kilometer is nothing but 12.8 kilometer. 32% of 40 kilometer is nothing but 12.8 kilometer. So this is based on this formula. X percent of Y means X percent means X upon 100. Off means multiplication. No, my dear, you have to divide 64 by 5. You have to divide 64 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 is carried. 14. 5 twos are 10. 4 is left, but 4 is smaller than 5. So 1 0 I will add there. I will put the decimal. So it becomes 40. 5 eights are 40. So 12.8 is the answer. 12.8 is the answer. So this is based on the formula X percent of Y means X upon 100 into Y. So there should be very much clarity. A ratio B means A upon B. X percent means X upon 100. X percent of Y means X upon 100 into Y. X percent means X upon 100. Off means multiplication. Now it is clear, right? Now it is clear. Now we will do the second one. B, that is 18% of 150. 18% of 150. 18% of 150. So always you remember 18% means 18 upon 100. Then off means multiplication. Then let me see. 1 0 I can cancel off numerator with denominator. So it is we'll see 18 upon 10 into 15. Now let us see. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. Then you can cancel 18 with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. So 9 into 3, 27. So answer will be 27. It will not be percentage, it will be number. So 18% of 150. 18% of 150 is nothing but 27. So this is the answer. So x% of y means 2 times. You can do 2 times, 3 times, how many times, still it get cancelled. Till the cancellation is permissible, you go and do. Huh. 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 Yes, there only you can cancel. But to avoid much more complication, because I have to make you explain, I have to make you understand clearly. You can cancel there, no problem. If you have understood, you can cancel there. I am writing second step, so that if there is more calculation in one step only, there will be some confusion, there will not be clarity. So I am writing second step. Otherwise you can cancel in the first step also. If you have understood, you can write that in the first step. So this is the formula. X% of y means x upon 100 into y. X% of y. Let me decide. No, C is 14% of. Wait, no, my dear. 14% of. No. Wait, no. I will not listen to anybody's suggestion. I will decide. 14% of 30 liters, B. 3.75% of 3.75% of rupees 3,000 Then E 3 into 1 by 2% of. Wait, my dear, let me first write the question. Of 1600. I will do not worry. In this type of problem I will devote more time, because this type of problem you will come across 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. So everywhere this type of problem will come. X% of y means x upon 100 into y. In physics also, in chemistry also, numerical problems, 8th standard, 9th standard. Have it. F is 20% of rupees 550. 20% of. I will devote more time in this, because this concept is very much useful in physics also, chemistry also, to solve the numerical problem. G 7% of rupees 7% of 2,800 ml. 7% of 2,800 ml. Then H 0.2%. This concept is highly applicable in physics, chemistry, maths, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. This percent you store in your mind. X% of y means x upon. Yes. Let me first write the question. 0.2% of 200 meter. 0.2% of 200 meter. Then I 33 into 1 by 3%. 33 into 1 by 3% of 210 marks. 210 marks. Now in this, see here, C will be homework, D I will do, E I will do, F will be homework, then G will be homework. Then if you understand D, you can understand H. So H will be homework. Then if you understand E, you will understand I. So I will be homework. So D and E I will do. Yeah. D and E I will do. So I wait my dear. Before we start D and E, let me explain you one concept. This you remember, my dear. before we start D and E. Okay, let me do D. Chalo. Let me do D. For E, I will write 3.75%. 3.75% of rupees 3,000. So apply the concept. X percent means what do you mean by X? So this will be 3.75 upon 100. 3.75 upon 100. Then what do you mean by off? Off means multiplication. Then rupees 3,000. You can cancel the zeros. Wait. You can cancel the zeros. You can cancel the zeros. You can cancel the two zeros with the denominator. So what is left? 3.75 into 30 and this into 30 rupees. So this will be yes. How? Two zeros get cancelled. Then what is mute the microphone? Yes. Mute the microphone. 3.75 into 30 will be left. No, two zeros are getting cancelled. Then what is left? 30 is left. No. Now this will be rupees. Now you. How 370? My dear, wait. You cancel two zeros, then you multiply 3.75 to 30. What is harm there? 3.75, you multiply 30. Then you will write 1 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 3 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2, 22, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. 0, 5, 2, yes, you can do it. No, but you have to then, if you take two zeros, then it will be 30. Let me explain. First, let me explain by this method. Now there is decimal after 2 points, after 2 digits. So 112.50. This is the answer. 112.50. This is the answer. This is the answer. 112.50. 100 Which one? 112. Yes, you can write 112 is to 1 upon 2. Yes. My dear, I have shown you the multiplication clearly in front of you. You see this multiplication. Multiplication I have shown you. 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11, 1 1 2 5 0. Now there is decimal after 2 digits. So put the decimal after 2 digits. 112.50. Now just now one girl, she asked, can I write 375? Let me solve the same problem by slightly different calculation, but same problem. You can write it second method. No problem. How many methods you can adopt? Second method to do the calculation. So this is nothing but 3.75%. Write down 3.75% of 3,000. My dear, you understand both the method, no? You understand what is harm there in understanding. So this I can write 3.75 3 point upon 100 into no, my voice is very much clear. Camera is also very much clear. Write down second method. Now see here. 3000 I can write 100 into 30. Yes or no? Tell me. 3000 I have split. 3000 I can write down 100 into 30. Yes. Now this 100 will be 100 get cancelled. 100 get cancelled. So again you will get 3.75 into 30 rupees. You will get the same answer, that is 112.50. So even if you do by that method, you will get. No, no, see, your concept is wrong, my dear. Your concept is wrong. What is concept? What do you mean by X%? X% means X upon 100. So 3.75% means it is 3.75 upon 100. You cannot write 375 upon 100. Okay? Cannot write 375 upon. See, if you see what is there, if you don't cancel this 100 with this 100, then this 100 you will multiply to 3.75, you will get 375. Are you getting? But this 100 will not get cancelled then. If you write this as 375, then 100 is multiplied to this, you will get 375, but this 100 will not get cancelled then. Are you getting? Write down. Write down what is DE. Now before we start E, you have to understand this concept. A upon B divide by C. Divide by C. A upon B divide by C. What is that? A upon B. A upon B divide by C. I can write A upon B, then divide by C in this also. Whether you write divide by C or use this symbol, both are correct. So A upon B, then division I can convert into multiplication. Division I can convert into multiplication by taking, by taking reciprocal of the second. Let me complete, then you speak. Division can be converted into multiplication by taking reciprocal of C. What is reciprocal of C? 1 upon C. Reciprocal of C will be 1 upon C. Now you have to multiply numerator to numerator. You have to multiply numerator to numerator. A into 1 upon B into C. A into 1 is A. B into C is B into C. So final answer is A divided by B upon C. We are dividing A by B by C. Write down this concept. So this B will go down. This B goes down. This you remember. Whenever you have A upon B divided by C, B goes in the denominator and multiplied to B. So this is the concept. B goes in the denominator. B goes in the denominator and you have to multiply B to C. Okay, very good. Now which problem? E. Write down. You have to write down this. 3 is to 1 by 2%. 3 is to 1 by 2%. Yes, 3 is to 1 by 2% of 1600. Wait. Wait, no, my dear. This also you have to write. You have to write down this. Wait, 1 minute is there. 3 is to 1 by 2 means first you can wait. No, my dear. I will take 1 minute. I will take 1 minute more. I will take 1 minute more. Please do not disturb. This mixed fraction I will convert into fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 7 by 2% of 1600. Then I will use the concept. 7 by 2% means 7 upon 2 divided by 100. Of means multiplication 1600. Then now this is of this type. A upon B divided by C. So this 2 will go in the denominator. 2 will go in the denominator. So this will be 7 upon 2 into 100 multiplied by 1600. You can cancel the zeros. Then 2 8s are 16. Then it is 2 8s are 16. So answer is 7 into 8, that is 56. 7 into 8, that is 56 is the answer. So what is that mean? No, my dear, because it is number. No. So what is? Wait, no, my dear. What is that concept? Yes. No, wrong answer. So whenever you have A upon B divided by C, this B goes in the denominator. This concept you have to remember. Whenever you have A upon B divided by C, B goes in the denominator. My dear, why are you remembering me? Why are you reminding me? I know the timing, no? This is not important. If you keep on reminding me your period is over, then I will not send the video. What is on there? Then this is not important. Even if I take 2 minutes, 3 minutes of yours, we are doing the sensible things only, no? I am focusing on making you understand this now. ठीक है, चलो, now we stop here. चलो, now we stop. No, wrong answer, madam. Wrong answer. You check the calculation. You are not cancelling zeros. You are not cancelling the zeros. It is 1600. So now we stop here. Have a nice day. Yes. Bye. Today I will upload the video. Today I will